I do remember the intensity of going against the public health narrative on masking. In fact, I think that was how we first sort of noticed your writing, and we engaged with you, and you and I had talked on a podcast years ago about that issue. But it takes a certain level of bravery. It's really courageous to go against the grain, especially, I will say, like, it's one thing, look, it's brave for any mom to say, look, I disagree with this, right? And stand up. But for someone in the medical community like you are, my goodness, I mean, that took a lot of guts, because
Well,
there
thank
weren't
I
a lot
wish
of
I had done
people.
it sooner. I only wish I had done it sooner. And you're right, it takes bravery. I think that that was why when it came to my child and children everywhere, that was the last straw for me.
Yeah.
To be honest, I was silent even about the trans issue for much longer than I should have been. But when it came to like actually masking little 2 and 3-year-olds, thank thank God finally something in me snapped.